What are the 3 best real estate investments that you can potentially make in Revelstoke, British Columbia right now? What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with The Real Broker. I'm a licensed real estate agent here in British Columbia, so if you're looking to purchase some property in Revelstoke, BC, I'll be able to help you out every step of the way. So you can go to the description, you can schedule a call directly with me so I can understand what your real estate goals are. And if you're someone that's interested in new construction projects or potentially want to buy a pre-sale home, I have access to a bunch of different developments which me and my team are exclusively selling. So if you want access to all the new construction projects going on, you're going to want to schedule a call with me. The Revelstoke real estate market has been absolutely booming the last 10 years. And it's because it's such a beautiful, quaint, just amazing place to live and offers all those beautiful outdoor activities and the lifestyle that people are really focusing on nowadays. And on the best part is, it still is the most affordable ski town that you're going to find in British Columbia. And it's showing signs as being one of the best places to invest into real estate in all of BC. So we're going to be covering the top 3 investments that you can make in Revelstoke, British Columbia. Number 1 is the Hemlock development on Humbert Street. This project had massive success because we broke into the Revelstoke real estate market, really giving what people of Revelstoke was looking for. We had some really beautiful floor plans that were amazingly thought out, and our units that had the legal suites in the basement pretty much sold out instantly. The Hemlock offers a modern design but is sticking to what Revelstoke's all about, with its architecture really emulating that mountain range with our roof line. If you were to drive down Humbert Street, you're going to see that this is a beautiful crafted project with a really well thought out design. Some of the main features that you really don't see in any other townhouse development is in our front row of the townhouses, you have grade level entry that you can come in right onto the main floor of the kitchen living room to have one staircase to go up to where the bedrooms are. This can be a great floor plan for people who are downsizing, looking to use less stairs. Really great for parking, where you can park in the front, walk in your groceries there. It does come with a single car garage and then a tandem parking with an outside parking stall as well. But these are really an amazing design that you won't see any other developments in Revelstoke have to offer. And we only have a couple units remaining in the Hemlock development, so if you're someone that has seen these designs on Humbert Street and you want more information just to see exactly how great of an investment this potentially is going to be for you, you're going to want to go to the description, schedule a call directly with me, and we can see if it's going to be the right fit for you. Number 2 is the Campfire development right along the 𝐂𝐚𝐥𝐿 River. So this one is absolutely going to be groundbreaking because we're in a dynamite location right in front of the 𝐂𝐚𝐥𝐿 River, and we've made these floor plans and the whole design of the project something that's never been seen before in Revelstoke. It is literally an absolute masterpiece. Chris, the developer, has spent so much time and so much thought perfecting the perfect floor plans that are going to literally work for just about anyone in whatever circumstances you have. The best part is we have these improved legal suites that are larger spaces than what we had in the Hemlock design that now come with a full stove and oven into the suite. So now with these full legal suites having premium rents there, this allows people to qualify for a higher mortgage. So a lot of people don't understand why legal suites are so important, is that for every around $500,000 to $600,000, depending on what mortgage company you're planning on using, can help you qualify for maybe up to $100,000 more in mortgages. This is massive in terms of how much income you actually potentially need to afford a brand new home. This is something that we worked incredibly close with the city of Revelstoke, hearing everyone's concerns and what they wanted to see us do better in our next developments from the people of Revelstoke. And we mashed up all those opinions and everything we got, and we gave you one of the best designs and one of the most affordable projects that you're going to see. Our price per square foot is the most affordable that you're going to find in Revelstoke. And it's right in front of the 𝐂𝐚𝐥𝐿 River in an unbelievable location where you can just go at your front door, take that green belt to 𝐂𝐤𝐿 Park, take it to downtown, or you can go along it and head over to the walking bridge that goes over towards the ski hill. It literally is a once in a lifetime opportunity to own some new construction riverfront property in Revelstoke. And the best part about this is, if you're looking from an investment perspective, it can literally work for anyone. With the rent that you're going to generate from these townhomes, they will be cash flow positive. And then the floor plans can work for literally everyone. It can work for multi-generational living. Say if you and your family, your parents want to purchase a property together, the kids can and their family can live in the upstairs, and then the parents can live down in the suite. Or you can do it vice versa. These literally are the best floor plans you're going to see in Revelstoke, and I cannot speak to this enough. It is a once in a lifetime opportunity to own some new construction, brand new homes at an affordable price right in front of the 𝐂𝐸 River. So if you're someone that's wanting to get on our VIP list where you get access to our discounted pricing and first dibs into the Campfire development, where you're going to want to go to the description below, book a call directly with me. I will be able to give you that exclusive access and first dibs before we take this project to the public and start selling it. We only have 18 units, and our previous development that we sold, the Hemlock, that had 20 units that had legal suites in them, we pretty much sold these out instantly. So we're anticipating that these 18 units are going to go fast. So if this was a project that you were interested in, you better schedule a call now to see if we have any availability. So if you're looking to purchase some property in Revelstoke, drop a comment down below saying home, and I will give you a list of the top 3 best investments that are currently in Revelstoke, British Columbia right now. The third best real estate investment in Revelstoke is going to be the Peaks. This is located in the Southside market, and this one is absolutely vital for the city of Revelstoke, where we're going to be providing the most affordable prices in terms of new construction homes. We've listened to what people of Revelstoke said, and they wanted at certain price points where people are going to find it super affordable. So these ones are going to be the lowest price point in terms of what you can get for a 3 and 2 bedroom townhouse in Revelstoke. And then we're going to have some very affordable 1 bedroom condos that are going to come at a great price in Revelstoke. This development is really what the people of Revelstoke have been asking for, so it's going to be the lowest price point to get into the townhouse market, and then the lowest price point to get into for a brand new 1 bedroom condo. So if you're someone that has a lower budget and is struggling to find something in Revelstoke, well, you're going to want to schedule a call with me in the description below, because these ones we anticipate are going to sell out extremely fast just because of the price point it's going to be and how well they're going to be constructed and all the quality of materials that we're using. You're just not going to find anything like this in Revelstoke. So if you have a budget of under $700,000, or if you're looking for a condo under $400,000, you're going to schedule a call directly with me, because I can give you first access to these new projects that no one else is going to have access to. And if you're someone that's wanting to, you think, oh, I only plan on moving to Revelstoke in 3 or 4 years, I would really challenge you that it probably makes sense for you to buy a property now, rent it out, or use it. Just with how much prices have been increasing in Revelstoke, this is what's going to really build a lot of wealth for you. It's probably even going to give you an extra head start in order for you to retire, where you see how much income and wealth and everything that is generated from purchasing properties in Revelstoke early. So if you want to talk more about these investments and what you need to do to help yourself in your lifestyle, well, schedule a call directly with me. I can share my story, how I was able to retire from my job at 25 investing in real estate. So if you want to hear more about how I was able to do that, I'm happy to share and help other people do that too as well. So once again, I'm Russell Mortlock. I'm a licensed real estate agent in British Columbia, and if you're looking to purchase property in Revelstoke, BC, I will be able to help you every step of the way, so schedule a call directly with me. And if you're wanting more info on how the Revelstoke real estate boom has gone, you're going to want to watch this video next, where I go over in detail exactly what's happened in the Revelstoke market.